In this video, I'm going to show you a really important left-hand pattern that you can use for fast songs to make them sound more exciting without it being super difficult. My name is Christine, and here at the Gospel Method, we want to make sure that you have all the tools you need to play your favorite gospel songs on the piano. For tons of free resources like the one we're going to be using today, be sure to go to thegospelmethod.com and go to free resources to create a membership for free and download as much as you want. And also be sure to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any free tutorials. Well, the song I'm going to be using today is just a classic hymn, I'll Fly Away, but you can use this pattern that I'm going to show you today on any of your fast songs to make them more peppy. This is best used in more like traditional hymns, hand clapping, play the tambourine kind of songs, but you can try it on anything that has a bit of a beat because piano is a percussion instrument, okay? We do have rhythm responsibilities as a piano, and this is something that's going to give you a little bit of rhythm without too much complication. Okay, so this concept does come from our brand new book, Foundational Skills in the Key of C. This is great for beginners to teach you all those basic rhythms, notes, chords, everything to get started on playing piano for church. And we'll talk about that a little bit at the end and what's in there and how you can get a copy. But this comes from that chapter, we call it the 2-tap pattern in the book. But it just means that we're going to be playing some extra little sounds on the left hand so that it makes it sound more exciting. Okay, so if we take a look at our chorus here, we can see we just have C slash 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 C slash, and that's how most of you would probably play it, is just hold the left hand and then our right hand goes chord slash slash slash. I'll fly away, oh glory, right? Fly away. And that's great, right? It has the rhythm, it has the beat. But with the 2-step, it's going to sound like this. I'll fly away, oh glory, I'll fly away. So it definitely, I'm not singing faster, but it feels faster. It gives more excitement to the congregation. Okay, so all we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding in extra left hand sounds. Okay, I'm not moving my left hand. I'm still on C. And I'm going to play the C. I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger here so that we can see. I'm going to play that C, and I'm also going to play a C in the middle. Okay? So actually, I might just do this all as one. Hopefully you guys can see that okay. So I'm just going C plus slash plus C slash plus slash plus. So my left hand is going to play C, and then it's going to play an extra one. Plus C plus C plus. Okay? So if we were going to count it, normally our right hand would go C slash slash slash. That would be 1, 2, 3, 4, right? That's normally what we would play. But what our left hand is going to be playing is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So our left hand is going to be playing more sounds than the right hand. So you can see it's together, then an extra left, together, an extra left, together, an extra left, together, an extra left. That's 4 beats. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And then if I went to F, it would do the same thing. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So I'll fly away, oh glory, I'll fly away, right? And so it might sound a bit repetitive or robotic to you because you're the one that's coming in your face like, really? That's what I'm going to add to this song? But when it blends with your chords and with the singing, it's just this underlying dun, 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 like a train in the background that subconsciously makes our bodies feel like the song is faster. Okay, so it might sound a bit strange to you, but when I played it, fly away, oh glory, right? It sounds okay. So some tips for this to make it feel a little more natural is we want to keep our right hand strong. I'll fly away, oh glory. And we don't want our left hand to overpower it. We don't want this to be the main part of the song. But what you can do is, make the first one strong, ah, and then the other ones are kind of, I'll fly away, oh, right? So that way it's kind of like it's the under sound. And then if you want to make the first one a little stronger, with the right hand, that's fine. That would be one tip to do it. Okay? And then the other thing, let's just double check when we get to A minor, because I know a lot of people get stuck when they see minors, they panic or diminished. It works the same. Don't worry about the minor, diminished, augmented, what's after here. If it's A minor, your left hand's still just playing A. Okay? And you can just bounce that just the same. F sharp diminished, right? If you had that, you would just find your F sharp and bounce on that one. Okay? So that doesn't change. That all stays the same. And it's just going to create that rhythm in the background. So this comes from creating that happy, upbeat, clap your hands. You can also combine this with walk-ups and walk-downs, okay? And so we do have whole full lessons on walk-up and walk-down. And then you'll get something a little more with variety. It would be, I'll fly away, oh glory, I'll fly away. When I die, hallelujah, by and by, I'll fly away. Okay, and so those walk-up variations and things, we do talk about all of that in the book, and we do have it on this channel as well if you go and look for walk-ups and walk-downs. So this is kind of step one to getting that exciting, put your hands together, kind of left hand motion, but it's definitely enough to get you started on those fast songs so it doesn't feel like you're a beginner. I've had so many students say, like, I feel like I'm just sitting here and it's like so boring and everyone just feels like kind of like draggy, right? Like, how can I make it feel peppy? And this is step one to doing that. You can add this to your songs right away. So, like I said, this is in our book. This is one of the chapters in the book, Foundational Skills in the Key of C. You can purchase it on Amazon or on our website in the store. There is a printed copy. You can get this beautiful copy. It's in color. It's got handouts. It's got exercises in the book. It's got 26 songs, and it goes through in order. So if you already play, but you're like, there's something missing, this is the book, because it's going to take you right from the beginning, and you'll find those spots where you're like, you know what, that's where I need some help. That's the chapter. That's where I keep getting stuck. And it'll give you step-by-step exercises and 2 songs to practice for each concept. So it does cover major and minor chords, inversions, black notes, slash chords, left-hand patterns for slow songs, left-hand patterns for fast songs, walk-ups, walk-downs, all kinds of good stuff. And it is part of a series. This is volume 1. There will be 2 more volumes coming out. Volume 2 should be coming out this year, which will be playing in all 12 keys, and Volume 3 should be coming out early next year, God willing, if we can get all of those put together for you quickly. But definitely grab a copy over on our website or on Amazon and try this two-tap pattern on some of your fast songs this week. All right, see you next week. Bye!